Hello everyone, in this video we'll be teaching a step-by-step guide on how to turn off location services on your iPhone. The first step is to unlock your iPhone. Then you look for the gray gel icon on your home screen, which is a setting app, and you tap on it. After tapping on the setting app, you scroll down and tap on privacy. You tap on privacy. At the top of the privacy menu, you tap on location services. As you can see, the location services is on. Then you toggle the switch at the top of the location service screen to turn it off. You will see a message confirming that you want to turn off all location services for your device. Confirm by tapping turn off. But if you do not want to turn off all the location services and you only want to turn off for a particular or a specific app, after following the steps mentioned above to get to the location service menu, you scroll through the list of apps and find the app you want to disable the location service. You tap on the app. You will see various options such as never, ask next time or when I share, while using the app, or always. Select never, and this will disable location service for that specific app. Turning off location services will disable the ability of apps and system service to use your location, and that can help to improve privacy and conserve battery life. Remember that some apps may not function properly without access to location data. That is all for our video today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.